Welcome to the ProtoUtility tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete process of downloading, installing, and activating ProtoUtility. To begin, visit our website. Once the website loads, navigate to the Products menu and select ProtoUtility. On the ProtoUtility page, you'll find the Software Download section. Click the Download Software button to continue. Before downloading, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. Enter your name, email address, phone number, company name, project name, number of meters, and the meter communication protocol used in your project. After completing the form, click Submit. The ProtoUtility installation file will then be downloaded to your system. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file and open it to begin the installation process. Follow the installation wizard, accept the license agreement, choose the installation location if required, and click Install. Please wait while ProtoUtility is installed on your system. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Now, launch ProtoUtility for the first time. When the application opens, you'll see the license activation screen. Here, the software will display your unique machine ID. You'll also need to enter your full name, email address, company name, and company address. Next, click Request License Key. The ProtoConvert team will review your request and send a license activation key to your registered email address. Once you receive the activation key, enter it into the activation field and click Activate. After successful activation, the login screen will appear. Enter your assigned username and password, then click Login. After successful activation, you'll receive backup recovery codes for password recovery. Please save these codes in a secure location, as they may be required if you need to reset or recover your account password in the future. You will then be redirected to the ProtoUtility dashboard. From the dashboard, you can use the Refresh button to update the latest information and access the Contact Us section whenever you need support or assistance from the ProtoConvert team. Congratulations! ProtoUtility is now successfully installed, activated, and ready to use. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more ProtoUtility tutorials and product guides.